Photographing athletes, action sports has always been a favorite of mine. I was away from the genre from some time, so I was really happy to get back at it for this particular session. This happened during that time when I had the Canon R3 with me, so I took it out for a few shots. 2 athletes, but we will concentrate on only one, a series of portraits in a difficult location. Let's check this out. It was tempting, and I took it out the bag. I was supposed to make the entire session with the GFX100s, a camera that is not made at all for sports photography. But there are tricks to capture action, fast movements with such a camera, but why make things complicated when you have in your bag a tool that is made for action sports? By the way, if you missed my first hands-on review of the Canon R3, the link is down below. It was a difficult location to work in, really. It's ugly, there is not much going on there, and not much light coming from the windows. I used strobes and still wanted people to feel that the light was maybe coming from the windows. And I say maybe, it's a big maybe, because I broke this rule a couple times during the entire shoot. I used 2 strobes and 2 different light modifiers, the GODOX 80-1200 Pro and the PIXAPRO Citi 1200 Pro. And for the light modifiers, a strip box by Photix and the parabolic 128, the P128 by GODOX. For the cameras, you can easily guess which one I used for which shot. If you are still guessing, check out the blog post. All the info you need will be there. I really wasn't looking for realism because I tried to use everything that I have with me to kind of hide a lot of the location there that I really didn't like. Usually it's the other way around, but you know, you gotta work with what you have. And that's where your accessories will come in handy. You will add some visual interest near your subjects, behind them, or in the foreground. And of course, you can shoot through things, beside things, use your location at best, and maybe add a little bit of smoke like I do. I know I've been using a lot of smoke these days in a lot of my images, but that's the way I work. I will soon get sick of it, and when I do, I will, after that, be a little bit more subtle with the smoke. In my first hands-on review of the R3, I talked about photographing two different athletes during this session. Now, since they took turns for each scene, I didn't want to share both sessions here because although they're two different people, their images kind of look the same. Now, I will still share the behind the scenes video and the full gallery on my blog, but only for premium members. And to make it interesting, I will add additional details on my lighting approach and a few diagrams. Also, I did a short sports video portrait of that second athlete, so I'd rather share the behind the scenes video of that on the channel. Should be coming soon. So do I miss action sports photography? Well, yes and no. I will go where my heart tells me to go. I'm pretty happy where I am right now. So every time I will need an action sports camera, I will probably rent one. So we'll see further down the road where things go. And I guess that is it for me now. Please check out the blog and consider being a premium member if you want to go a little bit further with me. Or not, if you don't want to, you know, I won't be mad. I guess that I will catch you in the next one. Please take care, and until then, have a good one.